welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. Okay, as always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. So for the video today, we're gonna be doing a drawing of Peppa Pig. So I hope you will enjoy this particular drawing. Now, my kids have been really into Peppa Pig lately, so I thought it'll be fun to do this little character. I'm going to start with her nose in a circle. Well, not a full circle, more of an oval. And then we'll do her head. Connect this line to here to form Peppa's face, and there's her chin. We're also going to put on 2 ears for Peppa. So 2 little half circles there, and half ovals. We're going to do 2 eyes, 2 round circles there for Peppa's eyes. And then we'll do a dotted pupil. So that's the darkened color in the eye. And then 2 dots for her nostrils so she can breathe. Alright, next we're going to work on Peppa's smile because she's known for her signature smile. She loves smiling and she also loves talking very much. Then we do her dress. We'll connect the 2 lines there. And then we're going to do her arms. And Peppa has 3 fingers on each hand. So I start with a line out, and then I do it almost like a flower. And then her 3 fingers. Now we have 2 arms for Peppa. What's missing? I think we're missing her feet. Alright, so I'll do 2 lines here, and another 2 lines for her feet here. I better give her some shoes. So her shoes are going to be these little squish ovals here. And I'll color them in black. Now we have Peppa. She looks familiar to you too? I hope so. Well, we're going to start coloring Peppa. I don't think I have a baby pink, but I'm going to start by coloring in her cheeks with this darker color pink here. I'm also going to do a squiggly for her tail. And I think I'll just color in a little bit of her legs as well. Now, I'm gonna try and to use a little beige or light apricot for her ears, just to kind of spice things up and see how she looks like if she had different colors. You could have a purple Peppa Pig if you really want to, but I think I might stick to pink for now. So I'm going to grab a red here because I want to color in Peppa's dress. Now Peppa usually has a red dress, but I'm debating if I should give her stripes or other colors as well. Here I'm just darkening her cheeks and her squiggly tail. And as I was saying, let's make this drawing unique and creative to your own. So you might want to give her a bow. You may decide that you want to give her lipsticks because she's decided to play with Mommy's Pig's lipstick. You might want to give her a stripy shirt. Or maybe she's wearing a Halloween costume. What kind of Halloween costume would Peppa Pig be wearing? Would she have a fancy hat to go with it? Or maybe she's heading off to a tea party. In which case she must have a fancy hat with a giant flower on it. Anyways, for my Peppa right now, I'm just going to color in her dress red here. And we'll just go with a traditional Peppa for me, but you go ahead and do what you feel will be fun for your Peppa Pig. Next, I'm going to color in Peppa's face and her arms and her legs. The unfortunate thing is I don't have a very light baby pink. This is the closest I can get, and it's a little bit of a darker pink, but it will do. You can tell it's Peppa. As I'm drawing this, I want to remind you to make sure that your drawing is telling a story. So make sure to color in the background as well. Is Peppa in a park? Is she waiting for Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig to pick her up? Is she heading to a talent show perhaps? Or maybe a carnival? Is it a very nice weather today? Are there birds in the sky? I'd like to see your version of Peppa Pig and see what she's doing. As I wrapped up this very dark pink Peppa Pig, it looks like she has a suntan, which is fine, which means that she probably left her hat at home. I'm going to color in some background and start including some blue clouds, and I think I might do some grass on the bottom too. This Peppa Pig definitely went into the sun for too long and perhaps even forgot her sun lotion, her sun tanning lotion. Or her sunblock at least. Poor Peppa. That's gonna hurt the next day. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video of me drawing Peppa Pig. Here's a closer version of Peppa. I'm gonna spend some time coloring in the clouds and also some of the grass that she's standing on, but I hope you enjoy this drawing of Peppa Pig. And if you like more of these videos or you have an idea of another characters I should draw coming up, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Well, until then, take care and stay creative, guys. Bye now.